Hello students, this is Sridhar, Faculty of Chemistry. I have been teaching for the past 15 years. As you know, during this COVID-19, the IIT exam got postponed. So, the real aspirants for JEE may lose interest and they get disappointed. So, in this connection, I request every serious aspirant of JEE to focus without losing interest. To generate interest in learning chemistry again and again, I have a few tips. Let me share with you. I am interested in teaching physical and inorganic chemistry part, and I have been doing that for the past 15 years. During this entire period of my teaching career, I find majority of the students failing to solve numericals, applying a little logic. It is not a big problem. To overcome this, we require basics followed by applying interdisciplinary concepts like solving electrochemistry questions may require concept of stoichiometry, acid bases and salts, and thermodynamics. So, in this video, I want to share a few important topics that can be focused in this 2-month period. Let me start with physical chemistry. In physical chemistry, if you want to excel and score the 100%, you require interdisciplinary concepts to be applied logically. To do so, a kind of quick revision is required for this 2-month period. To start the quick revision, start with mole concept and stoichiometry. This is an important tool in measurement, followed by gaseous state, and do focus on ideal gas equation and Van der Waals equation, their limitations accordingly. The third topic we need to focus much on is thermodynamics. Right? Try to divide the entire lesson into subtopics so that you will find it easier. Like when you plan for a journey, like a long vacation, you will have a checklist. What you need to carry, like with the medicines for elders, and for you, the toys and the essential food articles which can last longer. Similarly, in this particular lesson, divide the entire lesson into subtopics and develop a kind of checklist. Let me give you an example. Suppose you wanted to excel in thermodynamics. Keeping the syllabus with you, divide the lesson into subtopics like first law of thermodynamics, heat, work. Number 2, second law, entropy. Entropy changes during different process. 3, Gibbs free energy and the criteria for spontaneity. And finally, thermochemistry. enthalpy changes during different process, right? So when you try to divide the entire lesson into small subtopics, you will find it easier and you can focus on. Alright, follow me. The second one, the application of thermodynamics is equilibrium. Right? Equilibrium, both chemical and ionic. In ionic equilibrium, again the most important topic, lot many subtopics we have. Try to develop your own notes for each subtopic, followed by essential formulae like how to calculate pH of different solutions, including buffers, hydrolysis of salts, and focus on solubility product. How is solubility affected under different conditions, like in the common ion effect or buffer solutions or simultaneous solubility, selective precipitation, and finally during the complex formation. When you are thorough with these particular two topics, thermodynamics and equilibrium, electrochemistry in class 12 will become much easier. It is like a cakewalk. Electrochemistry. Divide that again into subtopics. Topic 1, Faraday's laws and electrolysis. Different products obtained during electrolysis, including preferential discharge theory. Number 2, conductivity, Kohlrausch's law and its applications, conductometric titrations, and Nernst equation, galvanic cells, application of Nernst equation in different cells, including concentration cells. And finally, we have miscellaneous topics like corrosion, passivity, batteries. So during this period of extension for 2 months, you don't need to really worry much. Just stick to the basics, right? I believe in the game of D. What is this game of D? We feel that IIT exam is a bit difficult one. So D stands for difficult. I'm sorry, it is not difficult, it is a different exam. Right? I repeat, it is a different exam. So to crack IIT's AE, you have been working very hard for the past 2 years. Just stick to the basics once again. You might have developed your own notes, continue with that, right? And focus on these particular areas again and again, right? Success is yours. And in the next video, I will share the important topics to focus in inorganic chemistry. Thank you for watching. Wish you all success. Signing off. This is Sridhar.